Hello guys, I am Jaiveer Singh and today I am in conversation with one of my favorite whose content I really follow about finance, Shreya Kapoor. Hi Shreya.
Hi, thank you. So nice to meet you, Javier.
My first question is one thing you really like about content creation.
I think that the freedom that comes with content creation. So before I became a content creator, I was a consultant, and my life was the same every single day. Like just wake up at 7, go to Gurgaon office, create PPTs, create Excel models, and that's about it. And then come back home. But I think once I jumped into content creation, what I really loved about it was that every day looks different. Like Monday you could be scripting, and Tuesday there's a shoot, right? Like Wednesday you're here at an event, right? Like literally I'm defining my life here. So I think that's the part that I enjoy the most about content creation, that no 2 days look the same. And I think I thrive in that chaos. So that's what I love about it most.
One thing about content creation you do not like or disapprove of.
I think it's one of those occupational hazards, right? Like the opinions of people that come along with content creation. And I'm in a space like finance where your looks shouldn't matter that much. What you wear doesn't matter that much. But still, we get a lot of comments on, oh, the way you look. I remember last winter, I put on a little bit of weight. There were so many people commenting on it, and I was like, dude, the content's around finance. I'm not like a professional fitness creator. Like, why are you commenting about it? So I think it pushed me to go to the gym more often, but I didn't like that part of content creation. Just the sheer amount of opinions you get from different people with no regard for like your personal feelings. I think but you have to live with it. I think it's an occupational hazard.
One Instagram profile of the content creator you are obsessed with.
Oh, that's such a good question. Because there are so many, but I think currently I really like Johnny Harris ka content. So for people who don't know, he creates like geopolitical content and very in-depth, very well-researched content. And especially for someone who's coming from like an educational niche like myself, I really like his content because even in like 90 seconds ka span, he's able to put so much information. So I think that's the profile that I'm kind of currently obsessed with.
One profile you can't tolerate on your feed.
Uh, uh, if you'd asked me this question 2 years ago, I would have said probably like one of those cringe pages that come up. But now I really enjoy them. Like, have you heard that song Love Bomber Baby? Like, it's all over my feed now because I think I only consume cringe content at this point. I'm so embarrassed to admit it, but I think, yeah, so there's no profile. Like, I think the algorithm knows me so well that whichever phase I'm in, that is the kind of profile that keeps popping up. So yeah, I'm in my cringe phase at this point.
Okay, the last question, one message you would like to give budding finance content creators.
Just be consistent. I've seen too many creators just be on the mercy of algorithm that, okay, my content's not working currently, so I'll just stop creating. Don't do that. Because someday or the other, your content will pick up and you just need one viral video to really be noticed. But just be consistent. Even if not every video is reaching 1 million or like reaching a lot of people, even if you're able to make a difference in the life of like one person or two people, that's what finance content is about. If you're able to, like, I remember when I started out and had like 1,000 ka following, people used to message me saying that you're the reason why like we started investing, or you're the reason why we're not doing a fixed deposit. So even if you're able to make that much of a difference, just keep at it. Don't worry about the algorithm.